going to have 3 Manny Pacquiao full show specials on Kababayan LA starting tomorrow. Ititrace po natin yung kanyang nakaraang 4 na laban. He is riding on a high 14-match winning streak. At bukas po, we're going to be tracing the last 4 fights. Kasama na dyan yung Manny Pacquiao and Manuel Marquez Part 3. Kasama na rin po yung Manny Pacquiao versus Sugar Shane Mosley. At yung dalawa pang laban kay Margarito at saka kay Clottey na nauna dyan. Also on Friday, we're going to be talking about the road to Las Vegas. A lot of recaps and exclusive interviews also with Manny sa kanyang paghahanda dito sa nalalapit na laban. This will happen on Saturday in Las Vegas. We're also going to be there to cover the fight, and we're going to bring you the sidelights and the highlights and air that on a very special after-fight show on Tuesday. So abangan niyo po yan, 3 dates. Thursday, Friday, and Tuesday. Pero bago naman ang lahat, kahapon may mga kababayan naman tayo na nakipagsapalaran at nakipaglaban, and I'm talking about the California primary. We're going to be talking about that right about now sa ating balita.
This Balita segment is brought to you by MoneyGram. Magpadala ng mobile phone load sa inyong minamahal sa Pilipinas with mobile operators tulad ng Smart, Globe, TM at Sun Cellular. Visit www.moneygram.com/mobile recharge para sa karagdagang impormasyon.
And so joining us on the phone right now is Editor-in-Chief of Weekend Balita, Ronnie Lygo from their Glendale Newsroom. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Ronnie. At pag-usapan natin ang mga balita. Sa ulo ng ating mga balita, ang naging resulta ng California primary. Kabilang dyan, ang 4 na kababayan na lumaban. Ronnie, before anything else, para dun sa mga hindi familiar with the system, ano ba yung California primary and how does that relate to the November elections?
Alam naman kasi natin na very familiar yung mga presidential primaries. Ano? Ganito rin dito, no? Na kung saan yung mga representatives ng kanilang mga party, Democrats or Republicans, ito ngayon ang paglalabanan kung sino ang rightful candidate of the 2 parties para sa November elections.
Alright, at meron tayong 4 na kababayan na sumubok, nakipagsapalaran. Umpisa na natin very visible sa lahat ng mga Filipino events, very active sa Facebook. Itong si Adrian Lecaros na tumakbo for Assembly District 46. Anong nangyari?
Just sa San Fernando Valley, no? Unfortunately, hindi nagwaging ating kababayan na si Adrian Lecaros. Alam natin, Pilipino yung kababayan natin, nagtatagalog yan, ano? Very visible. Unfortunately, hindi siya nanalo dyan sa San Fernando Valley, so hindi siya mag-represent ng district na yan come November.
Moving forward to Alameda naman, Vice Mayor Rob Banta, siya rin ay lumaban, and is this for an assembly member seat as well?
Oo, no? At very successful siya, no? So he will be representing yung kanyang party just sa November, at hindi lang yan, 2 other Filipino-American candidates dyan sa party ng Northern California ay very successful in the sense that dahil kahit na hindi sila nag-place or nag-top ng primary kahapon, they will still having runoffs dito sa November, at yun na nga, at hopefully kahit na medyo hindi sila naging successful, and we're talking of Dr. Jennifer Ong at si Chris Mateo, lalaban pa rin sila sa runoff dyan sa November elections.
It says here, itong si Lathrop Vice Mayor Chris Mateo, we have the results as well for you in a slide. Ronnie, what do we know about these kababayans? We're not very familiar with them. Itong si Rob Banta, itong si Chris Mateo, which is in photo right now on your screens.
Si Rob Banta, no, siya ang pinaka-ika nga successful dyan kasi galing yung Yale at abogado yan. Medyo sikat yang si Rob Banta na yan. So very popular siya, at yun na nga, denominate niya yung primary kahapon. Ito naman si Dr. Jennifer Ong, isang ophthalmologist or optometry ata. Meron siyang sariling clinic, ano? At very successful din siya as far as organizing doon sa kanyang community kasi yung kanyang parents dating mga union members. At ito naman si Chris Mateo, isa ring very popular, ano? However, yun na nga, medyo naglalag siya doon sa contest nila kahapon. At at any rate, makikipaglaban pa rin siya yung kanyang kalaban na si Kristen Olsen dyan sa November elections. At well, ang resulta kahapon nga, medyo 60 plus at 30% lang ang nakuha ni Mateo. Pero hopefully, magkakaroon ng magandang campaign siya come November.
Yes, puspusan ang pangangampanya. Pero syempre, pinapaalalahanan natin, Ronnie, ang ating mga kababayan na we should should vote for people not just because they're Filipinos. Kailangan syempre tinitignan din natin yung kalibre naman ng mga kababayan that we will pick to represent us sa mga offices na yan, di ba, Ronnie?
Oo, speaking of that, kasi si Chris Mateo, mukhang talaga ang paglalaban niya ang kapakanan ng Filipino-Americans, hindi lang mga veterano, pati mga illegal immigrants, at siya talaga mga issues ng mga Filipino. Although hopefully, mag-improve ang kanyang chances by November. Although slim, very slim, pero yan ang mga programa niya. At itong si Chris Mateo, hopefully masuporta ng mga kababayan natin sa Northern California.
Okay, from some leaders to a leader, the President of the Philippines, President Noynoy Aquino, is visiting LA. There will be a grand reception for him on Friday, Ronnie. Pero sa kanyang paglalakbay, marami siyang mga nahihikayat na investors.
Oo, by Friday, diyan sa Los Angeles Hilton Hotel, tayo mga media, invited tayo na bigyan natin ng magandang salubong itong Pangulo ng ating bayan, At he will be arriving on Friday at amid reports na talagang umuunlad daw ang ating bayan. The first quarter of the Philippine economy is picking up at sana nga magtuloy-tuloy on hopefully when he meets with President Obama sa Washington, magkaroon pa ng maraming mga bilateral relations sa ikaunlad ng ating science, education at iba pang economic development sa ating bayan.
And because Ronnie Ligo is covering that, don't forget to pick up your copy of Balita this weekend. Alam ko, Ronnie, magsusulat ka doon ng mga encounters mo with Pinoy.
Of course, At yun nga, by Friday, yun po mga gustong pumunta po, hopefully magkaroon po kayo ng chance also. However, mahigit
I think it
po
is by invitation only, Ronnie, so let's not invite the public.
True.
Although they will get your articles from the newspaper and also online, www.balita.com. Thank you so much, Ronnie. More power to
salamat
you.
po.
At ako naman po ay pupunta ng Las Vegas, leaving tomorrow to cover the fight of Manny Pacquiao versus Timothy Bradley. We have some exclusives and some raw footage that we want to show you today, and that's when we return on the show. Don't go away.